COVID travel woes have returned to airports. With the Omicron variant spreading rapidly even among airline staff, thousands of flights have been cancelled and delayed in the United States alone. At Seattle Airport, passengers found themselves stranded over the Christmas weekend and beyond.
We had to wait for 2 hours outside in 20-degree weather for a taxi that would be willing to take us to one of the only hotels with room availability. And this morning, we got another Uber driver to bring us back to the airport.
The worsening airline staff shortages have prompted Anthony Fauci, the US government's top infectious disease expert, to suggest that a vaccine mandate could be considered for domestic flights. At the same time, health officials are scrambling to come up with ways to minimize the impact on business and movement. The CDC has shortened its recommended isolation time for people who have tested positive from 10 days to 5 days if they don't have symptoms and continue to wear a mask for 5 more days. It also says people who have received a booster shot of a COVID vaccine or are within 6 months of receiving their second dose don't have to quarantine even if they have been exposed to the virus. The CDC says the change is motivated by science, based on what they know so far about the Omicron variant. For international travellers entering the United States, tight restrictions remain in place, including a requirement for a negative COVID test result less than 24 hours old.